Hello students, in this video I am going to explain how to draw the graph of greatest integer function and using graph how to find the domain and range. One of the very important function and graph y equal to f of x equal to greatest integer x. So this is a symbol, but this bracket is very important where x represents a greatest integer less than or equal to x. Whatever the value, for example 1.5 means left side integer. In this number line this is 1.5, so this is 1. So what is the left side integer? 1. So don't forget this always nothing but left side integer, whatever the value inside this bracket, take the left side integer, correct? For example, if it is minus 1.5, so this is 0, this is minus 1 and this is minus 1.5, so and hence the value is what? Minus 2. So don't forget this, whatever the value inside the bracket, the output is left side integer. Now using this concept, how to draw the graph of greatest integer function when x equal to 0, 0. For all integer value it is same. For decimal value take the left side integer. For 0.5, what is the left side integer? 0.5, 0. 1, 1.5, 1 and 2, 2. Similarly minus 1, same because it is integer, and minus 1.5, what is the left side integer? Minus 1.5, minus 2, and minus 2 is minus 2. So I am taking when x equal to 0, 0, when x equal to 0, 0, when x equal to 0.5 left side integer is 0, when x equal to 0.9, 0, when x equal to 0.99, 0, and when x equal to 1, it is 1. So this is included, this is not included. Left side closed circle, right side open circle. So when x equal to 1, y equal to 1. X equal to 1.1, 1.1 left side integer is 1, 1.5, 1, 1.9, 1, when x equal to 2, so it is 2, correct? So left closed, right open. And when x equal to minus 0.1, minus 0.1, so what is the left side integer? Minus 1, so open circle, minus 1, this one. When x equal to minus 1.5, what is the left side integer? Minus 2, so open circle, this one, correct? So the graph exists only at the integral value. Whatever the input, whether it is integer or decimal, whatever it is, the output is always integer, and hence the curve exists only at the integral points. So you can substitute any value for x, there is no restriction, and hence domain is R and range equal to Z. Why Z? Because diagram exists only at the integral values. Okay. So how to draw the graph of greatest integer function, and what is the domain, what is the range? So don't forget this result value of greatest integer function, it is always the left side integer, whether it is positive or negative, the output is always left side integer. But exact diagram is this, exact diagram, left open, left close, right open. This is the value when x equal to 0, 0, when x equal to 0.5, 0, when x equal to minus 0.5, minus 1. If you plot the points here, you will get the exact diagram. Okay, so from this diagram domain is R, you can substitute any real number, and range is only at the integral values. So range equal to n, range equal to integers, range equal to integers. So you can expect this type of question in board exam as well as competitive exams. Thank you. Hello CBSE 11th and 12th students, are you looking for maths, physics, chemistry, online and offline tuitions? Marvel classes by Akilan Institute provide both offline and online tuitions and with separate Marvel experts, and we have best study material, regular test with doubt clarification class. Also we have excellent support through Marvel digital courses. It is not like ordinary one-way communication online classes, it is two-way communication. You can interact with teachers on the class itself. And what is the one big advantage of Marvel? We will focus other subjects also. Last 3 months we will provide coaching support for biology, computer science, English to get more marks in your board total. So this is a proof of that coaching. And one more advantage, join before 30th of this month and get flat 30% concession and complete digital courses through Marvel classes. If you want to attend free live classes, call 7092008008 or 7092005005. So you can attend 1 week free trial class. After that you can decide. Thank you.